vegetable potage. I'll show you how to make it.
Peel the potatoes and carrots and chop them up with the leek. And then in a large pot, melt butter over medium-low heat. Add the carrots, potatoes, and leek. Cook, stirring occasionally until the vegetables are slightly tender, about 5 minutes. Stir in the nutmeg and the salt and pepper. Pour in a good old stock, like vegetable stock or chicken stock, into the pot and bring to a simmer. Once it comes to a simmer, cover the pot and reduce the heat. You want to cook that for 30 minutes. In the meantime, you want to whisk together cream and tomato paste until smooth. And set that aside. Now it's time to puree the soup. If you have an immersion blender, lucky you, use that. I use my Vitamix to puree. Then you want to add the cream that you mixed earlier into the soup, and then put it back in the pot to reheat for dinner or lunch. There you go, vegetable potage. Elegant and very easy. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. Let me know if you try it. I'd love to hear from you.